Deborah, it's wonderful having you on our program. Welcome to the Top Doctors Interviews.
Well, thank you. Glad to be here.
All right. I wanted to begin by asking you what brought you here. What problem or problems were you experiencing that brought you to Shakthi Health and Wellness Center and Dr. Rao?
You know, I have a lot of pain in my legs and a tremendous amount of fatigue. And this has been going on for years. Pain so severe in my legs that it's hard to walk, and fatigue that just hard to do things. I've tried the traditional routes. For the pain, the doctors always want to give a pill, a pain medicine pill. The problem is that caused enough problems for me to be fatigued. It's treating the whole system.
Yeah, it's like a band-aid to help to basically mask one symptom, which is the pain. But what most people that I still get amazed of don't understand out there, and I'm not taking a shot at other practices or doctors, but they don't realize that a lot of times that causes the other problems then.
Well, you're right. The pill is masking. It's trying to mask the pain.
Yes.
But then that's making me tired.
Yes,
and
it's
the
affecting
energy.
your life.
So, I came here, and I have to tell you, I've never, when I think of medicine, I tend to think of traditional medicine. You go to a doctor,
yes.
They treat you, they do the test, they give you a pill. So coming here, I have to say that I wasn't your typical patient saying, I'm a believer in all of this. What is this? It's not a magic pill to make you better, which of course hadn't worked for me. And the doctors here at Shakthi, they seem to take a lot of time, or they take a lot of time trying to get the whole of the person. So when I presented a symptom, they said, we'll take that information, but there may be other issues that aren't just a presenting issue. There may be things underlying it.
Yeah, or related that you're not aware of.
That's right.
And that's where the integrative approach that they utilize here really is beneficial.
That's right. So integrating everything. So it's, right, we hear your presenting problem, but let's check the whole body out and take the whole system together.
Yes.
And so...
So you had that done when you came here?
I did.
And what did they find, or what happened?
Well, what they found is in doing the testing, of course I thought, they're going to do blood work. They did a more extensive blood work and found out that I was low in important vitamins and nutrients in my body, that for whatever reason my body's not utilizing them the correct way. They found out that some of the medicine that I was on from traditional doctors was not, I didn't need it anymore. So they've done a couple different treatments to me. They've done an IV therapy. And the IV therapy is what I call, I think they're mega doses of vitamins, but it's interesting. It took my system a long time to get up to where it should be for normal. So now I'm not coming back every week, I'm coming back periodic. And I could not walk from my house down to the end of the block. I was that fatigued. I went to work, I did my job, but to walk, it was unpleasant. The pain in my legs was huge. The fatigue was tremendous, and then you get frustrated because you can't do things with your kids. And
so it's really affecting your life, Debra.
It affected my life terribly.
So you have these IV treatments done on a regular basis, and how's your life now?
Well, my life is much better now because, hey, I can walk the dog down to the end of the street. But I'm able to participate with my kids and things without thinking, okay, I'm going to get in the car, I'm going to drive them to some sporting event. I feel that my life has been turned around here, and I find that I never thought that I would be saying, let me believe in integrative medicine. It's not the approach that I thought of. And in fact, I appreciate the doctors here because they'll give me the science behind it. And so with the science behind it, I know it's not just, oh, let's try this. Here's the science, here are the results. The paper they gave me, I bet it was like 25 pages of a complete printout of here's where you stand, here's what we're going to do, and here's how we'll follow it.
So a total, comprehensive, customized plan
to me,
for you. That's just for you.
Yeah.
That's what we have found, is that Shakthi Health and Wellness Center, with their integrative approach, really customizes a plan for each and every patient to fit your needs and obviously a treatment plan that gets the result that you're all looking for.
I want to be custom to me, because whatever are my health issues.
Yes.
And the other thing that the Shakti tells me is that it's not about just saying let's make you better, but let's keep you well. And so the wellness part, again, that was a new concept to me. It was, I'm coming in here for pain, but then they're saying the wellness is what we want to focus on, and keeping you well. And here are some things maybe you're not thinking about, which of course I can only focus on the pain and fatigue early on. So I'm now not coming as a sick patient to a doctor, but I'm coming as a part of wellness.
Now, lastly, before we let you go, for the folks out there watching, Debra, any final thoughts that you'd like to let them know about Dr. Rao and Shakthi Health and Wellness Center?
I'm so thankful that I found them. It wasn't a path that I thought I would traditionally go on, but it is the complete package towards wellness. Is really where it should be for all of us. Not just thinking we go to a doctor for a problem, but how do we prevent problems? And I now have become a believer because of what it's done for me.
Well, that says it all. And on that note, Debra, thank you for joining us, sharing your experiences and thoughts, and being a guest on our program. It was our pleasure having you on.